So I got the expandable squeegee from SKG pull. Now in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive and then a quick guide on how this works. So what you get is a squeegee itself, and then you're going to get the expandable pull. So it's very, very simple to put together. The pull comes fully assembled for you. And as for the squeegee, this just screws in the top. But what I like about it is this can work inside and outside. So if you are inside doing the windows, you can actually just use the head and not have the pull on there. You're going to have a nice rubber grip. Easy clean your windows with the cloth, flip it around, and do the squeegee. And what I like about this is the first one I've had, and I demo a bunch of these. This could be the first one where the squeegee and the cloth are on the same head, so you don't need to switch things out. Wash it, flip it, boom, you're good to go. Now how you get this assembled on here is super easy. So it just screws in the top, nothing crazy, no pins to pop into place, nothing like that. So you can easily assemble it and deassemble it in seconds. And once we got this in there, how you expand it now is going to be on the side. So it's going to start at 5 feet, but it can go all the way up to 20 feet. But what I like is it's completely customizable down to the inch. So all we need to do is pop this up, pull it out, get to the space we want it, lock it shut. It's not going anywhere. And just the same thing down there. So that's what I like about this. There's no like holes or pins to pop into place. So they just lift these up and down, move it around, and you're good to go. So personally, I have a house where my windows are really, really high up. So I would have to get a ladder out, climb up, clean them. This is so much easier and honestly safer too. So I'm a big fan of this. Give it 2 thumbs up.